Hello, hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the like, and thank you for everything. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a good money in 2021. How to invest your money nicely and safe. So today I'm going to open my copy trade for outsider from Malaysia people. Okay. First of all, as you can see, my copy trade is only 300 US dollar. So my target is 5 to 20% weekly. It's a super safe, and we only withdraw the profit every Friday 10 p.m. on GMT Asia. Okay, so only 50% for me and my team, and on 85% is for investor. It's a super risk, super low risk. Okay, first you need to click link at the bio. So you have to register, verification your ID, open the account, and send the email, and then you will automatically join the profit every weekly. So let me show you how much money that my copy follower in Malaysia. So normally we take a $134 per week. We also have a lot every week. So as you can see, your capital is always 300, and then you always have a profit. See, the first week we have 109 US dollar, 97 US dollar. As you can see, we have over 200 follower in Malaysia to join my copy trade. So I get an email. One of my Pakistan would like to join my copy trade. So I open for English version. So you this is super easy. As you can see, you just need to register, open account. I teach you already full detail how to open an account. You send an email, and then boom, you automatically will join my copy trade. So my feedback on my copy trade is in Malaysia version. I still This is my first time to open uh, English version for my copy trade. So if you think you like to try, if you like to invest on super low risk copy trade, here I am. You can take a shot, but remember the capital is always need 300 US dollar, and we only withdraw profit is every Friday night 10 p.m. So if you like to join, please click link at the bio, and then join the profit team. So why you need to invest? Because you need to make your money work for you. If you still keep in the bank, you only get 5% every year. So what I'm going to offer you is 5 to 20% every weeks, every weekend. So while you're waiting for, click link at the bio, register and join. So I think that's all for today. But if you need to join my signal team, or you want to learn how to trade forex, you also can drop me an email. I will teach you, I will guide you how to trade proper by Malaysian way. So I think that's all for today. Please subscribe, and don't forget to make money in 2020 just by invest your money in a good place and super safe. Thank you so much. I'm Wazaotto from Malaysia. Bye bye.